Today I'm going to show you how to multi-stream on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and many more directly inside of OBS Studio. We're going to be using the Aitum Multistream plugin. It's super easy to set up, and by the end of this video you'll be ready to go live wherever you want. But first, a quick word from today's sponsor, OperaGX. OperaGX is a web browser built specifically for gamers and streamers. Most browsers are made for everyone, which means they're not really built for us, but GX actually fits your setup and workflow. The best part for streamers is the streaming profile. It acts like a complete separate browser just for going live. Your personal tabs, bookmarks, and history never shows up while you're streaming. It hides suggested sites, recent searches, and anything that could accidentally leak on stream. It also cuts distraction. Tabs start muted, pop-ups are blocked, and you can customize performance so your OBS capture stays smooth. It's clean, it's safe, and it keeps you in control. OperaGX also teamed up with Streamlabs to give you an exclusive discount on Streamlabs Ultra. Overlays, alerts, Pro Tools, the whole package. Here's how you can claim it. Download OperaGX using the link down in the description, sign in with gx.me, and claim your Streamlabs discount inside GX Quest. And if you're worried about switching browsers, GX has a quick import tool that lets you pull in your bookmarks, browsing history, and cookies from your old browser in just a few clicks. Plus, it works with all your favorite Chrome extensions, so your setup feels familiar right away. So if you're a streamer and you actually want to grab a browser that's meant for you, grab OperaGX from the link below, import your setup, and level up your stream. Alright, now let's get back into the multi-streaming. First, you're going to go into aitum.tv in your browser. Click Products, then Multistream, and then click Download Multi for free. It's totally free and really lightweight. Once it's downloaded, run the installer like you would any normal program. When it finishes installing, make sure to restart OBS Studio so the plugin loads correctly. Back in OBS, look at the top bar menu. Go to Docs and click Aitum Multistream. This opens the control panel where you'll add services and manage every platform you want to go live on. Inside the panel, click the gear icon. For Twitch and YouTube, you can just log in directly, so no stream keys, no copying and pasting, just sign in and approve access. For Facebook, Kick, and any other RTMP platform, grab your stream key and server URL from that platform's live dashboard, then paste it into the plugin. You can do this for whatever platform that you need. You can go live on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Kick, all at once from one OBS setup. Real quick, if this is helping you out, please be sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe down below, as that really helps my channel. Alright, now let's go live. Once everything is added, you don't have to change anything about your workflow. Just hit start streaming in OBS like you normally do. Aitum Multistream automatically sends your stream to every platform that you want. You'll see a status window showing each service connected, reconnecting, or offline, so you'll know what's live. One of the best features is being able to turn on and off each individual platform without stopping your main stream. For an example, go live on YouTube only to test your audio, but keep Twitch and Facebook paused. Then turn them on with one click whenever you're ready. No restarting OBS, no restarting your broadcast. This is perfect for soft launches, early testing, or platform-specific segment. And that's how you multi-stream in OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe down below, and turn on notifications for more OBS tutorials. Let me know down in the comments, which platforms are you multi-streaming to?